Isomerism in coordination compounds. In previous video, we have discussed structural isomerism and its different types. In this video, we will discuss stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism arises due to the difference in spatial arrangement of ligands or groups around the central metal ion. There are two types of stereoisomerism: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. First, we will discuss geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is also known as cis-trans isomerism. This type of isomerism arises due to the different positions of ligands around the central metal ion with respect to each other. If the ligands occupy position adjacent to each other, then they are known as cis. If they occupy the position opposite to each other or one another, they are known as trans isomers. Cis-trans isomerism is shown by almost all coordination complexes, but here we will discuss only the complexes with coordination number 4 and 6. Complexes with coordination number 4 have two possible geometries: tetrahedral geometry and square planar geometry. In tetrahedral complexes, the four ligands in a complex around the central metal ion are adjacent to each other. So, cis-trans isomerism does not exist in tetrahedral complexes, whereas square planar complexes show cis-trans isomerism because the four ligands around the central metal ion are present on a same plane, and their difference in their spatial arrangement with respect to each other cause the cis-trans isomerism. In square planar complexes, there are three types of complexes: MA2B2, MA2BC, and MABCD. Square planar complexes of MA2B2 type represent the complexes in which A2 are the ligands of same type and B2 are the ligands of same type. The example of such complexes are given here. This is a complex of platinum, diamine dichloro, platinum. In this complex, there are two same type of ligands, two amine ligands and two chloro ligands are present. In these types of complexes, isomerism arises due to the different positions of same type of ligands. Like here in this first type, two same type of ligands are present opposite to each other. Then the isomer is called as trans isomer. When the same types of ligands or groups are present adjacent to each other, the isomer is known as cis isomer. The example of platinum complex is given here. In trans isomer, two amine ligands or two chloro ligands are present opposite to each other in trans isomer, and in cis isomers, two chloro ligands and two amine ligands are present cis to each other in cis isomer. Square planar complexes of Ma2BC type. In these complexes, two of the four ligands are of same types, whereas the third and fourth ligand are of different types. These are the two examples of Ma2BC type complexes. The cis-trans isomerism in these complexes arises due to the position of the two same ligand with respect to each other. Like in this isomer, the two amine ligands are adjacent to each other. So this is a cis isomer, and in trans isomer, the two amine ligands are opposite to each other. So uh, we have to see only the two same ligands, whether they are present adjacent to each other or opposite to each other. Square planar complexes of MABCD type. In these complexes, all the four ligands are of different types. There is possibility of three isomers for such complexes. The structures of these isomers can be written by fixing the position of one of the ligands, four different ligands. Like if we fix the position of ligand A, and by placing all other three ligands trans to this ligand, we get three possible arrangements of a complex, and these three possible arrangements are the different isomers of such a complex. This is an example of a complex of MABCD type. Here in this complex, there are four different types of ligands are bonded to the central metal ion, and these are the three possibilities or three isomers of this complex. Cis-trans isomerism is also shown by square planar complexes in which the central metal ion is bonded to bidentate ligands. A bidentate ligand should be unsymmetrical in nature. The two donor atom in bidentate ligand must be different. The example of such a complex is diglycinato platinum. In this ligand, glycinato, there are two donor atoms, nitrogen and oxygen. The position of these two donor atoms on either side of the complex with respect to each other give rises to geometrical isomerism. Like in cis isomer, the two NH2 group are on the same side, or the two oxygen atom which are making bond to the central metal ion are on the same side. And in trans isomer, the two same types of donor atoms are opposite to each other. Geometrical isomerism is also shown by bridged binuclear complexes of the type M2A2X4 complexes. In these complexes, there are two central metal ions which are bonded to each other by two bridging ligands, and the cis and trans form in these complexes arises due to the position of these two same types of ligand with respect to each other. Like here in this cis form, the two same ligands, two chloro ligands, and the two triethyl phosphine ligands are on the same side or adjacent to each other. Whereas in trans form, these two same types of ligands are present opposite to each other. Geometrical isomerism in complexes with coordination number 6. The complexes with coordination number 6 have octahedral geometry, and these are the few examples of different types of octahedral complexes which show geometrical isomerism, and these are the metals and ligands which are involved in formation of such type of complexes. In an octahedral complex, the central metal ion is surrounded by 6 ligands. If these 6 ligands are labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the positions of ligand 5 with respect to 3 and 2 with respect to 4 and ligand 1's position with respect to 6 are trans positions, or these complexes will be trans complexes in which the same ligands are at positions 5 3, 2 4 and 1 6, and rest of the positions of ligands are cis, like the position of ligand 1 with respect to 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and so on. All these positions are cis positions. Octahedral complexes of Ma4B2 type. In such complexes, 4 of the 6 ligands are of same type, like here in this example there are 4 A ligands and the remaining 2 ligands are of same type. Here the 2 ligands are represented as B, and the cis trans isomerism arises by the positions of these two same ligands with respect to each other. Like in these two complexes, these two ligands are cis to each other. Here these two positions are cis and these two positions are also cis to each other, whereas in these two complexes these two positions are trans to each other. These two complexes are the examples of octahedral complexes of Ma4B2 type. In these complexes, 4 of the ligands are of same type and the 2 ligands are of same types. As we have already seen in this example, this is a complex of cobalt tetraamine dichlorocobalt. In this cis isomer, these two chloride ligands are positioned as cis to each other, and its trans isomer have these two chloride ligands trans to each other. This is another type of an octahedral complex, MAA2B2. In this complex, there are bidentate ligands. These two AA2 ligands are bidentate ligands in which the two donor atoms are the same. That's why this is called as symmetrical bidentate ligand. And the example of symmetrical bidentate ligand is ethylene diamine. The example of such a complex is dichloro bis-ethylene diamine cobalt. In this complex, the cis and trans isomer are because of the positions of the two ligands, monodentate ligands, with respect to each other. Like in this cis isomer, the two chloride ligands are present adjacent to each other or cis to each other, whereas in trans isomer the two chloride ligands are present trans to each other. So the cis and trans isomer based upon the positions of the two monodentate ligands in this type of complexes. Octahedral complexes of Ma3B3 types. In these complexes, 3 of the ligands are of same types and the remaining 3 ligands are of same types. In these complexes, when the 3 donor atom of 3 same ligands are present on the same triangular face of an octahedra, the isomer is known as facial isomer, whereas when the 3 same donor atoms of the same ligand are present on the same equatorial plane of the octahedron, the isomer is called as meridional isomer or simple MER isomer. So these are the two isomers of a complex Ma3B3 type. These are the two examples of this type of complex. In this complex, this is a complex of chromium, triamine, trichlorochromium. In this complex, in its facial isomer, 3 chloride ligands are present on the triangular face of the octahedron, whereas the remaining 3 ligands are also present, making a triangle on the face of an octahedra. Whereas in its meridional isomer, the 3 amine ligands are present on the same equatorial plane of the octahedron. Like here, these are the 3 ligands with same donor atom are present on the equatorial plane of this octahedron. This is another example of such type. This complex is of cobalt, triamine, trinitrocobalt. In this complex, the 3 nitrogen atoms of nitro group are present on the triangular face here and making facial isomer, whereas in this isomer the 3 nitrogen atoms are present on the same triangular face of the octahedra. This is also a type of an octahedral complex. In this complex, there are 3 bidentate ligands which are unsymmetrical in nature. A ligand in which the 2 donor atoms are different is known as unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. When such 3 ligands are bonded to the central metal ion, the positions of the same 3 donor atoms with respect to each other is used to assign cis and trans isomers in the complexes. Like in this complex, this is a complex of chromium, triglycinatochromium. In its trans form, 3 donor atoms, same types of donor atom, like here in this complex, 3 nitrogen atoms are present on the same equatorial plane, then the complex is trans. Whereas in its cis form, the 3 same types of donor atom, like here 3 oxygen atoms, are present on the triangular face of the octahedron. Here similarly, the remaining 3 nitrogen donor atoms are also present, making a triangular face of this octahedron. This is a type of an octahedral complex in which all the 6 ligands are of different types. Like in case of square planar complexes, the structures of the different isomers for such a complex can be drawn by fixing one of the ligands and by placing all other ligands trans to it. By doing so, 15 different possible isomers are possible theoretically, and the example of such type of complex is amino, bromo, chloro, ido, nitro, pyridine, platinum. And for this complex, only 3 isomers have been isolated. Optical isomerism. Optical isomerism is shown by the optically active compounds. Optically active compounds have tendency to rotate the plane of polarized light, and the pair of optical isomers have this property to rotate the plane of polarized light equally but in opposite direction. The optically active compounds do not have plane of symmetry. Optical isomers are mirror images of each other. The pair of optical isomers are same in all their physical and chemical properties. The only difference in these isomers is the difference in their rotation of plane of polarized light, the direction in which they rotate the plane of polarized light. In a pair of optical isomers, one isomer rotates the plane of polarized light in right direction and is called as dextrorotatory, whereas the second isomer has ability to rotate the plane of polarized light to the left and is called as levorotatory. When such dextrorotatory and levorotatory complexes or compounds are mixed in equimolar quantities, the solution that is obtained is optically inactive or racemic mixture. Optical isomerism in complexes with coordination number 4. The tetrahedral complexes are expected to show optical isomerism because there is no plane of symmetry in tetrahedral molecule. To show optical isomerism, the central metal ion must be bonded to 4 different types of ligands. A complex with 4 different types of ligands bonded to the central metal ion in tetrahedral complex becomes very labile, and it has not been possible to isolate optically active compound for such a tetrahedral complex. However, tetrahedral complexes containing unsymmetrical bidentate ligands of beryllium, boron, zinc, and copper have been resolved into optically active forms. This is an example of a tetrahedral complex of beryllium in which beryllium is bonded to two bidentate ligands. The complex is bis benzoyl acetate beryllium. This is a pair of optical isomers which are mirror images of each other. Optical isomerism is not shown by square planar complexes because of the presence of plane of symmetry. However, the given compound has been resolved into two optically active forms. Optical isomerism in compounds with coordination number 6. Octahedral complexes of the given formula in which the central metal ion is bonded to two symmetrical bidentate ligands and two monodentate ligands. These complexes show optical isomerism as well as cis-trans isomerism. In this complex, this is a complex of cobalt, dichloro, bis ethylene diamine, cobalt. In its cis form, this isomer exists in two forms, two optically active compounds, D form and L form, which are the mirror images of each other. This is the trans form of this complex, and the cis form of this complex shows D and L form or optical isomerism. Octahedral complex of MAA2BC type in which there are two bidentate symmetrical ligands and two different monodentate ligands. This is a pair of optical isomers of such type of complexes. This is another type of octahedral complexes in which central metal ion is bonded to three bidentate symmetrical ligands, and these are the two mirror images of the two isomers or D and L form of the optical isomers. This is a complex of cobalt, tris ethylene diamine, cobalt. Optical isomerism is also shown by complexes containing hexadentate ligands such as ethylene diamine tetraacetate. An example of such a complex is ethylene diamine tetraacetato cobalt. These are the two optical isomers of this complex which are mirror images of each other. One is the D form of this complex and the second one, the other one is the L form of the complex.